I promise you, you're gonna have fun. We're gonna have Dr. Winston, our interim CEO, give you guys a few words before we get started.
I'm welcoming you to this youth-led Preparedness Education Day. Today's gathering is a call to action. It's an excellent opportunity to expose you to the critical skills that help save lives. Readiness means the difference between chaos and coordination, between risk and recovery. This is statewide. These are things we want to do to prepare young people for the future. I want to thank the entire Emergency Preparedness Department, Carlos Cruz, who's our director, Jennifer Guzman, who's the coordinator, and Dr. Pia Daniels.
I will be the instructor giving you the first portion, which is active violence emergency response training. We're gonna go through different types of scenarios. We're gonna teach you guys to be more situationally aware. We're going to give you guys techniques on how to stop the bleed in case there are life-threatening situations where you need to help yourself or a loved one. And then ultimately, we will close out that first portion with learning how to disarm and barricade and defend a room if absolutely necessary. I want you guys to use the table in front of you and show me how to wound pack. And we're gonna go around, all my volunteers, my officers, if you're able to keep an eye and let them know if they are doing it correctly. Very good. So you put that in with your 2 fingertips. Be one thing you can use if you don't have gauze.
You can use your clothes.
A piece of clothing. Question for you, once it goes inside, can it be taken out? You have to leave it in there. Hopefully you guys will have your parents buy you bleeding control kits after this.
One thing you have to understand is that emergencies are gonna happen. And the more that you know, like stopping the bleed, how to avoid, how to barricade, and then if necessary, how to confront, is gonna make it a lot better for you to survive these events, okay? Tell people, get this training. It will help save lives.
You are taking the same training we did here as employees, and I have to say your interaction was sometimes better, especially with the tourniquets, than some adults. And Jennifer gives this class once a month here on campus.
This emergency preparedness experience was wonderful. It exposed me to the discipline of having cognitive awareness and situational awareness. And I'm happy to have had this experience to learn about the tourniquets, to learn about stopping bleeding. And especially when you learn it at a young age, it prepares you as you get older.
It was a really great event. We saw 40 to 50 youths that were able to attend today's event during their spring break. And we were able to educate them on Stop the Bleed, on different active shooter, active assailant trainings.
I feel like it's a good training that everybody at least once in their life should do. I learned a lot, like really good life skills, and if this were to happen, I feel safer by knowing what to do.
I learned a lot about how to save people when they're bleeding, to be specific, when they're bleeding. If there's a school shooter or an active shooter at work, jobs, different places, how to deal with it and what to do in that situation.
We invited all of the middle schoolers and high schoolers of our community, and we actually went beyond the Brooklyn community. This training went far beyond Stop the Bleed. We taught them how to use tourniquets, we taught them how to wound pack, and we also focused a lot on how to be situationally aware and forecast danger in their surroundings, in their everyday life, and just empowering them more.